So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are sharing some super scary Halloween makeup ideas for girls. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. So in this video we are sharing a lot of ideas related to girls that are super scary Halloween makeup looks for your Halloween parties. So there are a lot of ideas. Here are some easy ideas and even some super scary, stylish and difficult ideas too. So if you're a big expert in makeup, so you can choose the difficult ideas, but if you don't know how to do such kind of makeup, so don't worry girls, you can choose the simple ideas and that will also super scary for your Halloween parties. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most and even you can download the video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos and watch the video till end. And select the idea that you like the most. So, we share a lot of stuff related to Halloween, such as boys' Halloween makeup look, Halloween party decoration, Halloween food decoration, and many more things. So you can choose the idea that you like the most, and even you can visit our channel for such kind of ideas related to Halloween. So guys, hope you like the video. So if you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.